Welcome back. And now a look at the political events in the state.
Babu Asgaonkar and his supporters have formed a committee under the leadership of Chairman of Law Commission Ramakant Khalap with regard to Mopa Airport. He added that the drafted bill by the committee would be presented in the Goa Assembly. Asgaonkar said that he would give good rates to the people whose properties are acquired for the Mopa Airport project. He was speaking at a public meeting organized in Mopa village. He also came out strongly on opposition and criticized their work. Maye Bhu Vimochan Nagrik Kriti Samiti has decided to fill their candidate in upcoming assembly poll. President of Maye Bhu Vimochan Nagrik Kriti Samiti, Kashinath Mayenkar, says that they would declare their candidate on 5th February. He said that from past 50 years, none of the government was able to solve the Maye Evacu property issue. Water Resources and Forest Minister Philip Neri Rodriguez commenced his election campaign in Asolna. Philip Neri said that the response of the people to his campaign was good. He informed that he is aware of the expectations and grievances of the people. Shashi Panjikar, along with his supporters, resigned from Nationalist Congress Party. Panjikar, speaking in a press conference, said that he would contest assembly election from Priol constituency on the ticket of Trinamool Congress Party. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And now news from sports. The big Indian derby between Kolkata giants East Bengal and Mohun Bagan ended in a 1-1 draw at the Salt Lake Stadium on Saturday. The highly anticipated I-League encounter was quite an entertaining affair. Moreover, the rivalry between the two most popular clubs in India adds a lot of spice to the fixture, with scores of fans thronging to the stadium. Hence, even the neutrals find it a treat to watch this particular fixture.
Come to life with every touch of his.
With the I-League title anybody is for the taking, the East Bengal Mohun Bagan matchup expected to be a key clash as the winners would close the gap on leaders Dempo Sports Club. The red and golds started in a dominant fashion and East Bengal took the lead in the 33rd minute through talented Robin Singh. Mohun Bagan were clearly the second best side in the first half and went into the breather down by a goal. Mohun Bagan got the second half to a rousing start as captain Odafa Okoli provided what their fans wanted. The Nigerian goal machine provided a classic example why he is the highest paid striker in India with this goal. East Bengal, however, immediately came back into their rhythm they had shown in the first half but failed to add to the scoreline.
Player. Osbeck does well. Popped again, come again though. Whipped in, forced to Orji, can he find a shot? Didn't fancy it on the left, maybe he will. Prudent lines up a shot, hopeful, almost fell for Orji.
The match ended in a 1-1 draw. East Bengal are second in the table with 35 points while their arch rivals Mohun Bagan are a point below in third place. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
5th State Amateur Archery Championship concluded on Saturday. The highlight of the day was the Olympic round, wherein the best archers compete on a one-on-one basis. Parshuram Chauhan was the best men's archer overall, while national archer Snehal Divakar was the best women's archer in the state championship.
The final day saw some nail-biting action in the Olympic round. Arguably the best action brewed between Shubham Baduria and Shubham Chaugule. Shubham Chaugule got the better of Baduria in the sub-junior boys finals, but Shubham Baduria was in no mood to let down in the juniors competition. Baduria and Chaugule were pit up against each other in the first round itself, and Baduria knocked out Chaugule in the first round and went on in the juniors category to win. In the girls category, national archer Snehal Divkar proved her superior class and swept away the titles. Here are a few highlights. Secretary of AAAG Chetan Kaulekar, Joint Secretary Paresh Kamath and Catering College's Sanjeev Khadgade were present at the prize distribution ceremony and gave away the prizes. Following are the winners in the categories: Sub-Juniors Boys, Shubham Baduria; Sub-Juniors Girls, Sheetal Gaude; Junior Boys, Parshuram Chauhan; Junior Girls, Snehal Divakar; Senior Boys, Parshuram Chauhan; and Senior Girls, Snehal Divakar. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Panji.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.